In chess, the fianchetto is a specific way to develop the bishop, bringing it to g2 or b2 for white, or to g7 or b7 for black. To achieve this, the flank pawn, either g or b, is first advanced a single square, and then the bishop emerges along the long diagonal. The central idea of the fianchetto is to control the center from a distance. Instead of placing pieces directly in the center of the board, the bishop exerts pressure on key squares such as d4, e5, d5, or e4 from a very long and difficult-to-block diagonal. Another significant advantage is that it harmonizes exceptionally well with castling. When a bishop is fianchettoed on the king side, it guards the castled king and strengthens vital squares surrounding the defensive setup. The fianchetto is also a long-term strategic decision. That bishop usually remains active throughout the game, especially in open or semi-open positions where its reach increases with each exchange. However, it's not an automatic recipe. Weakening the dark or light squares surrounding the king is the price that must be paid, and if the center collapses, the bishop can become quite restricted. In summary, the fianchetto is a modern, solid, and flexible tool, ideal for players who truly understand the value of pressure, patience, and positional play. If you want to learn when to fianchetto, when not to, and how to punish a badly played fianchetto, subscribe to the channel. BlackChess Academy, the best training from